Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. The month of November lives on. What a day, waking up to a 70-cent XRP that kick off the week. You love to see it's up about 8.5%. Folks, 70-cent XRP never looked so nice. It continues to thrive and continue to impress people. However, I'm not very enthusiastic about the prospect of $1 XRP or the prospect of the new bull shattering the previous all-time high and making a new all-time high just yet. For that, I intend to feel enthusiasm. But at the moment it's 70 cents. In this video, we'll explain why you should exercise extreme caution while downloading apps from the App Store, specifically those that claim to be blockchain-based ledgers. Web3 Sundays are starting to resemble the old Sundays of XRP spikes in the past, so we'll be talking about them. The latest rally will be discussed, as will Bitcoin addresses, a chart that I posted last night and which is the only chart you should be paying attention to at the moment, and a fair warning will be issued about the current market conditions, as I have not yet declared a bull run. Let's start spending his Bitcoins immediately. $35,269, 2% in the last 24 hours. USDT is arriving as a dollar peg at roughly the same rate as USDC, which is 99 cents. Today's most impressive cryptocurrency gainer is XRP, which is now up 8.57% to 70 cents, making it the leader of the pack. I informed you when we broke above 60 cents on a daily closing basis when we were in the 60-cent range. The monthly close was spot on, and I thought for sure we'd see the price of this thing teleport up to the 72.72 cent range. Are we in the precise location that my map indicated? It's just another good reason to sign up for the newsletter, which costs nothing, has no commitment, and can be done in under a minute. You should visit ripplevanwinkle.com. If you want some free crypto guidance, enter your email address here. Newsletters to be released next week. Another XRP upgrade is on the way. Boron is getting hot, and I haven't been officially pronounced alive yet. Total cryptocurrency market update, but only if you sign up for our newsletter and learn when I predict the bull run will begin. Around $1,335 million remained in circulation. $1,375 billion from our previous high as we continue to rise. Frighteningly, Bitcoin hasn't even reached the $40,000 level, and XRP is pumping Bitcoin's next move, which is going to $40,000 to $42,000, which will assist put an extra tug XRP up even higher. I warned you XRP will have a few of good cycles to make up for the smack the SEC gave us last time around, when the price would have reached an all-time high, but instead it was slashed by 90 cents. But I stated before, and I will state again, we will make up for the last bull run. We will then make up for the bull run that's coming this cycle, and XRP is going to outperform every other stinking coin out there. Now is the time to go out and get your own lines if you aren't already a member of my project, one of the largest projects on the XRP ledger. That's how easy it is. They're around $250 or 165 XRP. And we accept credit cards every single month. You don't have to buy every month, you can buy one and be done, and you can still collect every month going forward. We give back XRP to the community every month, and we've given back over 250,000 XRP to community members thus far. Keep it in mind. The URL is provided below. Zach, consider this a public service announcement. This is important, so listen up. You don't give Nelson the time of day. I have to tell you, after watching this video, you have to hear this. Presently, a phony distributed ledger application. Moving around and Microsoft App Store, it has already led in $580,000 worth of Bitcoin stolen. Okay, hey, you should be getting it directly from Ledger when you go to download your Ledger app, if you bought it in a shop. Before handing over any cash, make sure you've checked the reviews. It received a single star. If you believe Ledger has been there for that long with only 1-star rating, think again. That's how you can tell whether these are just outright hoaxes, people. As we move into this bull cycle, fraudsters will ramp up their schemes. They seek your private keys. Extreme caution is warranted because what they do is revolting, and I have no idea how they support themselves by stealing other people's money. Keep your guard up as you venture out into the world. Avoid being fooled by any of these. I'm aware that many people fall prey to the fervor, and that many others let their emotions cloud their judgment. The next thing they know, all of their cryptocurrency has vanished. Avoid being like that guy/gal. EBC is my squad. The online gaming industry is something I'm quite interested in, one of the best and most active communities. I'm on the lookout for gaming-centered chat rooms and dating profiles. Sundays don't always look like they used to, especially when compared to the early hours of the day before. Aftermath Islands, the Metaverse, the Deluxe Network, Lux Lions, and other initiatives were discussed on a call I had with a well-known figure in the Philippines Web3 community. Also, a step up in the Metaverse. If you are not a part of Aftermath Islands, the Lux Lines project, then TBN token when you buy your tokens right here. They are locked up in NFTs right now. There's 3 separate tiers. The bronze might cost anywhere from $25 to $5,000. The tokens will be listed on a major cryptocurrency market, making this the lowest price available. Though this is not investment advice, we can say that a deal has been reached with LDA Capital and GSR to provide up to $25 million for the project once the tokens are released. Keep it in mind. Be careful about what you acquire on the market. 10% increase in XRP as more and more organizations use Ripple services. Even though Ripple keeps its distance from the XRP token, investors in the token regularly respond to news about the company, as was reported this morning. Over the previous day, XRP's price has skyrocketed, making it the best-performing cryptocurrency. The current price of Bitcoin Ethereum is up more than 11%. CoinGecko data shows that trading volume spiked over the $2 billion range on Sunday, before modestly retreating on Monday. You can notice how much the price has risen in only one day by looking at the chart below. The rest of today should be interesting for XRP investors. In a recent interview, Jeremy Hogan claimed that using XRP was as easy as jumping over 3 BNBs. What do you think it will aim for next? When the US dollar experiences sudden price increases, do you know what occurs once a new high is set in terms of US dollars, and we're about to see one? We're going to make a theory jump, and the Bitcoin jump will be the cherry on top. We plan to repeat this. The value of central banks can be calculated. Put simply, the XRP price will skyrocket as a result of utility, demand, and some healthy doses of speculation. But Penny, she wants to issue a caution. If this is even a slight rally, which I think it's safe to say we are seeing, an XRP, we've seen other coins go before, and XRP usually pumps last, we could be in for a correction here. Remember, swell is coming up, too. She is clearly pumping, but hopefully the market will do something different this time. I anticipate waves this week. There was a pre-swell pump in the past, as we can see. A pre-swell pump, perhaps? Time will tell, but for now, everyone should exercise extreme caution. What I'm trying to say is, I have no idea if this trend will continue or retrace, but what goes up must come down. Bitcoin decides to rip and gets then a $40,000 to $40,000 range, but the price needs to drop to establish a new base before it can fork and continue rising. There will be a new XRP chart going out soon. The number of Bitcoin addresses holding more than 1,000 BTC has reached an all-time high of 8 million, as will be shown in the following section. If this figure keeps rising at its current rate, it will soon represent an unimaginably large sum of money. They are now preparing. They're gearing up for when BTC goes first, so you can cut the rest of this paragraph short. This is the only graph worth looking at, therefore I'm retweeting it to make sure it's at the top of my feed. Alright, I promised this last week, and here it is. I put this out before the monthly and weekly closure came in. It appears that we were successful in crossing the 60-cent threshold. The range from 82 cents to 88 cents represents our next major area of opposition. That's what our focus is on right now. There is nothing we can do right now to prevent this from rising to 82 or 88. As that is dismantled, a substantial obstacle will have been removed. We're headed to the area around Dow equals 41. If XRP keeps pumping, I anticipate a wick up to major resistance followed by a drop, at which time it will be crucial to maintain the weekly SR level near the 60-cent zone. We broke what we needed to broker on 60 cents, and you were watching the move up and you were still seeing XRP increase as we come in near to 70.5 cents. So the question is how deep this pullback is going to go. There appears to be enough steam left in the boiler to take us to the 80-cent region, where we may assess whether or not to cool off and pull back before getting on the next train and moving onward. If we do reach the 80 to 88 cent range, that's where you should focus your attention. If it breaks, we'll be back where we were before the SEC slapped us in the face, at $1.41, and then $1.96. As soon as $1.96 is breached, the bull run can commence, and XRP's ascent to a new all-time high can be discussed openly. I'm fixated on XRP, and I suggest you do the same. It's all over today. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.